imagine yourself lying in a hospital bed, just 60 years old, you know you're dying, and your children know it too. And all you want to do is live a couple more days to see your grandchild expecting to be born. That's why I believe cigarettes. That's why I believe cigarettes need to be illegal, because they can cause serious illnesses and death, and they do so a lot. And smoking, and that's a reality that many people face from smoking, is emphysema, because it makes it so you can't get the oxygen, and so you just basically suffocate, and it's a long, terrible death. And it's caused strictly, pretty much just from smoking. And it's not the only thing smoking causes. It can cause cancer, heart attacks, strokes, and many other things. The damage to your health isn't the only thing that smoking costs you, but it also costs society as a whole by affecting insurance, Medicare, and even costing employees thousands of dollars. And that's why I believe why smoking should be illegal. Not just because it affects the smoker, but it affects everybody. And I'll be showing you the statistics of smoking, cost to society, and the government. The smoker's lifespan is 10 years less than non-smokers, and that actually hurts everybody, not just, it hurts the government because you're less productive for them, even. You're paying less taxes, so that hurts them that way. It kills 443,000 people every year, but 46,000 of them are people who don't even smoke, and that happens by secondhand smoke, and that's by the smoke from a smoker, and you inhale that, or third-hand smoke, and that's from smoked residue that settles down with dust, and the same chemicals that are in the residue are in the cigarettes, such as cadmium, benzene, and nicotine. So in that lasts 3 months. So if you walk into a room that someone smoked in, 3 months later, you could still get the same bad things from it. Smoking also causes SIDS and low birth weight from a mother that is smoking, and that can still happen from second-hand smoke and third-hand smoke. Smoking costs healthcare $96 billion each year, and it also costs $97 billion in loss of productivity, where that money could have been spent elsewhere instead of just on helping people cure or get rid of their cancer that was caused by smoking. Each smoker costs their employer $6,000 more than a non-smoker. So it's not just that it affects your health, but it also affects the person who hires you, and could also make it so you don't get hired. And my mom, she's a nurse, she said that there's actually hospitals now that don't even hire smokers, so you can't even smoke to work there. And 8 minutes on a clock will cost employers $1,600 a year while you smoke, and most people smoke more than 8 minutes. And 65% of cigarettes get littered, which is another reason why it's bad, because 65% is quite a bit. I don't know how much is in a pack, but 24, I don't know. But there's still chemicals in that leak into the water stream, and we need to drink water to live, and you have to have that. So, and then San Francisco in 2009 paid $11 million just to clean up cigarette butts, and that $11 million again could be spent on education or whatever else they want to spend money on. And so smoking, here's a pair of lungs. Smoker, non-smoker,
that's the smoker.
So you can visually tell who smokes and who doesn't. And that's secondhand smoke. And then the baby is going to get cancer or something because their parent doesn't care.
Or something.
And then that's just trash. cigarette butt. But smoking has already killed millions of people, so let's make sure that each one of us are less likely to be killed by it by not even trying it. And I'm against it because it affects everyone, and I hope someday America will make smoking illegal, not just because it's bad for a smoker, but it's bad for everyone.